Hi guys, welcome to this channel. This is Soumya, and as the title suggests, today's video is dedicated to all the beginners out there who want to start their skincare game in this quarantine period. And जितने भी products मैंने इस video में mention करे वो सारे pocket friendly हैं and easily available भी हैं. And this video is dedicated for all skin types, whether you are a sensitive skin person or dry or oily or combination, everything. So yeah, now let's get started. I will be using this Bio Papaya exfoliating face wash. So it is basically a face wash, comes in this gel like consistency. You can see it's very runny consistency. और इसमें ऐसे छोटे छोटे से beads होते which help you exfoliate your skin and to just get rid of all the dirt and gunk out of your face. So what you have to do is rub it between your palms and just apply it likewise on your face, and it doesn't foam up really well. In fact, thoda bhi nahi foam karta hai, but it really leaves behind a squeaky clean face, and that's the reason that I love this product, because you can never get this quality product for the price you pay for it. So just do it like this. I just scrub it on my face for a good 60 seconds I guess, and then I just wash it off with plain water. Now I'm done cleaning my face, and I don't know whether the camera is doing justice to my skin or not. I can feel there is a whole lot of difference the way my skin feels right now. It's much more cleaner than before. It's much light, and yes, this is how it is. And for the next step, I will be using this Himalaya Neem face pack. I don't wet my face before applying this product. So what I do is I just take it out in my palm like this. It's thick in consistency, and I just apply it likewise. How my skin is looking after I got rid of that face mask, and yeah, there is the water in my skin, and I'll just let it settle down into my skin, and till then I'll just mention some couple of points about this face mask. Let me put it out there clear that this face mask is a gem. You get some sort of magic in this particular packet. This is a pretty drying face mask, because the main ingredients or the key ingredients that this face mask has is the Fuller's Earth, neem and turmeric. Himalaya offers you a huge range of face packs, everything. But yeah, this neem face pack has did wonders for my skin. If you are a beginner or you are just starting up with skincare, then you must be a teenager right now, because उससे पहले हम नहीं करते उतना. Being a teenager is we have to deal with pimples, and pimples means acne scars. And yes, this face pack doesn't claim, I don't know whether it claims or not, but yeah, this get rid of every single acne mark on your skin. But yes, you have to give it some time. A year ago I was going through some texture issues on my skin, and yeah, a friend of mine just introduced me to this product, and since then I'm just holding up to this product. I have different face masks, but yes, whenever it comes to clogged pores or oily skin or just greasy skin and all of that, I just go out for this. And even if I'm having pimples and all of that, I just toner, I will recommend this Dabur Gulabari Jal. In all, it's a rose water. Again, it is there in the market since years right now, and yeah, everyone loves this product. It is a good product because I don't apply toner on a regular basis, and yeah, as you can see, I have used it pretty much, and it's really good. So I'll just show you how to. There's no rocket science in applying a toner, but yeah, I would just recommend that don't use any cotton ball or a cotton pad to use apply a toner. Just your palms are enough. Just rub it between your palms so that it gets naturally heated, and just apply it on your face in this patting motion. This motion just ensures that the rose water or the toner just penetrates into your skin really well, and just apply it evenly all over your face, and yeah, you're done. This wasn't a necessary step, but if you want, there are some days when we just want to go overboard with a skincare routine. So yeah, that is moisturization. I have this product. This is the Nivea Soft Moisturizer. It has goodness of vitamin E as well. It comes in the tube form, and इसमें बहुत सारे वैरायटी भी हैं. शायद स्ट्रॉबेरी, बेरी एंड एलोवेरा जेल वाले भी है, बट वो टब्स में आते हैं. एंड I really don't find tubs convenient for me, so I just go for the tube ones. ये packaging शायद last year launch हुआ था and from then I'm just using it. Talking about the product, it is a really good quality product, and for the price range, this is, yes, this particular packaging is will cost you for more than rupees 100, but if you go for the tub ones, it is again very inexpensive. And yeah, talking about the consistency and everything, this is such a product that an oily skin person can also use and a dry skin person can also use. If you are on the oilier side, then take a tiny bit of this product and just apply it on your face. And for a dry skin person, what I like to do is I just take this much quantity on my palm and I just like rub it between my palm and I just apply it likewise on my face. And yes, I guess you can see it right now that how this gives that like slight sheen on your face. And yeah, this really helps you get that hydration of the products that I will be showing you. You can use it in morning routine and as well as on like for the night routine. And this is how my skin looks after I'm done moisturizing it really well. Moisturizer, it is pretty good moisturizer. It has the proper amount of moisturization that a dry skin person will need and an oily skin person will need, because if you are an oily skin person, you just need a tiny bit of it, just rub it on your hand palm and just apply it on your face, and yes, that's it. If you are from dry skin family like me, you saw how much like the amount of product I took it on my palm. You just need that. And yes, the best part about the Nivea moisturizer is that no matter the amount of the product you apply it on your face, it just keeps you hydrated all day long. And yeah, that is the reason I just love this. If you have very oily skin and you don't want to risk like applying a moisturizer and then going for an SPF or a sunblock, then what you can do is you can use this particular product. This is the Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer with an SPF of 24 and it is PA++ UVA and UVB protection भी है इसमें. Yeah, this is a really good moisturizer. This is also in the market for a long time, and why I am recommending this is because this has a very light texture and it stays there on your face for good amount of time. It hydrates your skin. It doesn't feel greasy on the skin, and yes, again you get the sun protection as well. So you should definitely give it a try. And yeah, wait, let me just show you. Okay, so this is how it looks, and it has this a hint of pinkish color to it. Just massage it good like this and just apply it on your face in this patting motion so that it just get absorbed into your skin and it like mixes up with the moisturizer. फॉर द ड्राई स्किन पर्सन, आप इसे अपने नॉर्मल मॉइस्चराइज़र के ऊपर भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, या फिर अगर आप एलोवेरा जेल लगा रहे हो उसके ऊपर भी आप इसे डायरेक्टली अप्लाई कर सकते हो. बट येस, मेक श्योर दिस SPF will not help you if you are going out in the sun. This like 24 SPF of 24 will only help you when you are indoors. This also gives you that luminous skin effect. And yeah, I have this Wadi lip balm. It is in the strawberry variant. It's really inexpensive and the amount of hydration you get from this particular product is similar to the one you get from the Laneige. And it comes in this fiber packaging. Yeah, it is a really tiny jar, but this product will last you for good 6 months, I guess, because you need very tiny amount of it. Just rub your fingers through it and this is how it is. Just apply it on your lips and yeah, this is it. जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने इस वीडियो में दिखाया है, अगर आपको कोई भी एक प्रोडक्ट अगर चूज़ करना हो इस वीडियो में से, आई विल जस्ट आस्क यू टू गो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर लिप बाम. यू कैन अप्लाई इट एज अ हाइलाइटर और अ ब्लश ऑन योर चीक बोन्स. एंड या, फॉर द वंस हु आर इन स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेस, एंड बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस ऐसे हैं जो मेकअप अलाउ नहीं करते, सो यू कैन कैरी दिस विथ यू जस्ट अप्लाई इट एंड या, इट जस्ट गिव्स यू दैट tiny hint of pinkish flush, or you can say a peachish flush on your face that indicates that how healthy your skin is. And talking about the brand, Wadi is an Indian brand and Wadi like revolves around the whole topic of natural ingredients. I would like to mention, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and comment below, and thank you for watching.